One day, a heart surgeon took his car to a repair shop to have it repaired. After the repairman told the surgeon, "I properly know all the components of the car, and I open and repair the engine and the heart all on my own. In fact, I bring it to life. So why is it that my annual income is about 1% of your annual income?" The surgeon looked at the repairman and said, "If you want to increase your income, this time try to repair it while the engine is running." The repairman put his head down and never spoke again.